Are you seeking a way to relax and relieve muscle tension? Look no further. We've got the top 7 back massagers recommended by experts to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Zillion Shiatsu Back and Neck Massager. First up, we have the Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager. Its deep kneading nodes and heat function provide a spa-like experience, targeting key areas for ultimate relief. Homedics Shiatsu Massage Pillow. Next, the handheld percussion massager offers customizable intensity levels and interchangeable massage heads, making it perfect for targeting specific muscle groups. Restec Neck and Back Massager. The versatile foam roller is a must-have for those seeking relief through self-massage and myofascial release. It's an excellent addition to any recovery routine. Snailax Shiatsu Massage Cushion. Experience the rejuvenating benefits of the portable tapping massager. Its compact size makes it ideal for at-home or on-the-go use, providing relief whenever you need it. Lifro Sonic Massage Gun. Transform any chair into a relaxation haven with the chair massager pad. Let the strategically placed massage nodes work their magic as you unwind after a long day. Renfo Massager. Indulge in the luxurious comfort of the electric back massaging cushion. Its full back coverage and soothing heat function provide blissful relaxation on demand. Therabody Theragun Elite. Last but not least, experience the soothing warmth of the infrared heating pad. Its therapeutic benefits make it an essential companion for relieving back discomfort. Whether you prefer a handheld device, a versatile foam roller, or a complete chair transformation, these top 7 back massagers have been recommended by experts for relaxation and relief. Say goodbye to muscle tension and hello to rejuvenation. Click the link in description to explore these expert-recommended back massagers and bring relaxation and relief into your daily routine. Your back will thank you.